Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share my amazing experience at the HBF Run for a Reason 2025 right here in Perth. I was one of the thousands who took part in this incredible event, not just for fitness, but for a great cause. Whether you're a runner, walker, or just love community events, this one had it all: energy, purpose, and heaps of fun. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes from the early morning start, to the buzzing crowd, the race itself, and that rewarding finish line feeling at Gloucester Park. I even got my face painted in HBF's colors, blue and white, by the most beautiful, talented flower girls. It added such a fun, festive vibe to the day. From the crowd energy at the start line, to the finish at Gloucester Park, and everything in between, come experience the day with me. Let's go.
Simple game right now. It's called Simon Says. Do you know how to play Simon Says? Love that. All right. Simon Says, hands up.
Very well done. That's outstanding.
Simon Says, vibe out.
On out, baby. Have some fun, baby.
Simon Says, hands up. All right, hands out.
Come on. Get out of play. Simon says, left arm up. Simon says, right arm up. Both arms up. Ah! I love this game.
All righty, now one line karaoke. We start the song, you finish it.
Sing it. Sing it with us. Come on, man. Beautiful stuff. Next year. Come on, baby.
David's got nothing that 100 men on the road.
Not bad.
Alright, let's do a big selfie game. Everybody hands up, hands up.
Here we go. 30 seconds, right, move. Get moving. Up and me. Up and down. Let's go. Let's go. 20 seconds. Let's go. Here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the run. Free cash that way. See you later, Wayne.
Despite the rain, the HBF Run for a Reason 2025 was an unforgettable experience. Held on Sunday, the 25th of May in Perth, the event saw a record-breaking turnout with over 40,000 people registered to run, walk, or wheel for a cause. It was incredible to be part of such a massive community effort, and even more amazing knowing that over 12,500 participants crossed the finish line. Together, we helped raise more than $1.9 million for over 350 charities. the highest fundraising total in the event's history. Some runners even set blazing times, with Luke Burrows finishing the 12 kilometers in just 37 minutes. Rain or shine, the energy, support, and purpose behind this event truly made it special.
Much closer in the win as Lauren at their head of 5 minutes.
And after the run, one of the best surprises was the free massage stations set up at Gloucester Park. After pushing through the rain and all those kilometers, it felt amazing to unwind and get those tired muscles looked after by the amazing volunteer therapists. It was such a thoughtful touch by the organizers and really helped everyone relax and recover while enjoying the post-race vibe. Trust me, after a big run, that free massage is everything.